In this video, I am going to show you how to create a system restore point on Windows 11. So let's start the video. First, click the search icon in the taskbar and type system restore. The result you are looking for is create a restore point. Click to open it. If system protection is off for your main drive, click configure. Then turn on system protection by adjusting the slider and then click apply followed by OK. After that, click the create button to start setting up a restore point for the drives that have protection enabled. When naming the restore point, it's helpful to include the date or a description like before updates. After clicking create, Windows will create the restore point. Once it's finished, you will see a message confirming that the restore point was created successfully. Now click close. If you need to restore your system later, go back to the same menu, select system restore, hit next, and your restore point will appear in the list. It's a good idea to keep this feature on for easy recovery when necessary. So that's how to create a system restore point on Windows 11. If you found this tutorial helpful, so don't forget to liking the video.